So if you think about the history of Haiti and their struggle for freedom against the French, and then being forced to pay reparations to the French that they defeated. You know, Haiti was the most successful plantation of any European plantation. The most successful. And so when Toussaint Louverture and Dessalines, when they defeated the French, the economy of France nosedived. So much so that Napoleon was forced to sell the land that they had stolen in the Americas to their good friend Thomas Jefferson. And that became the Louisiana Purchase. All right? The Louisiana Purchase. They sold that land for 2 cents an acre and doubled the size of the United States in 1804. All right? So, as a means of paying reparations to the French said, yeah, we want money. Approximately $115 million they had to pay. But they said, we'll also take that currency in the form, that payment in the form of material goods, in the form of wood, in the form of your trees, in the form of your ancestors. So they cut down thousands and thousands of trees to pay that debt. And they deforested their land, which made them susceptible now to hurricanes and floods. You know, as Amos Wilson said, an event does not end at the end of its occurrence, but continues to move down through the ages, creating ripples in time and space, affecting future generations. So this struggle for liberation in 1804 struck a nerve with Europeans. Europeans in France, England, and the United States, who said we will never forgive those Africans for doing what we talk about and what we believe in, get our freedom by any means necessary. And they made a decision that Haiti will never be free. So today, Haiti is the poorest nation in the Western Hemisphere, because Europeans determined that those Africans would never set an example for any other Africans on the planet, because they understood how important that event was in the psyche of African people in the United States, in the psyche of the African people throughout the Caribbean and in South America and Mexico. So they had to ensure that that spirit of Africans would die with the Haitian Revolution. All right, so what we see now going on in Haiti is a continuation of the ongoing war against indigenous people, whether they're in Africa or in the Americas. It's a war. And the people who are at war against indigenous people have no respect for you and no respect for your God, your deity. And the whole idea centers around destroying your racial memory, destroying your spiritual memory, so that you would never empower yourself to do the things that your God or your goddess put you on this planet to do. So we're still fighting a spiritual warfare. Still fighting spiritual war.